The Rugged Connect BT2 can be easily installed on almost any helmet, including moto and full-face helmets. Although the installation procedure is the same for both, we'll be installing the BT2 on a full-face helmet in this video. What's in the box? Here's a quick overview of the components included with your BT2. Alpha Audio helmet speaker harness with both a male and female connector. Helmet speaker spacers to push the speakers closer to your ears. Hook and loop speaker fasteners used to secure your speaker placement in the helmet. A USB charging cable. Rectangular hook and loop fastener used to secure the stay put mic boom. Two 3M dual lock fasteners. The stay put flex mic boom. No hot glue or destructive installation is required for the BT2. We'll simply use the hook and loop fasteners where needed to secure everything in place. And of course, the BT2. Before we begin, many helmets now feature a speaker cutout, and you may need to remove that foam cutout in the interior of your helmet. The helmet speaker kit features a long speaker cable and a shorter one. The speaker with the shorter wire will typically be on the left side of the helmet, the same side as you will mount the BT2. Apply the round hook and loop fastener to the back of each speaker and affix it to the interior ear pocket inside the helmet. This is a good time to make small adjustments to location and fit. If needed, add the speaker spacers to push the speakers closer to your ear for maximum audio quality. Maybe move the speaker forward or back to fine-tune the personal adjustment. Installing the BT2. It's important to decide what position on the helmet will provide the best ease of use. Too far forward or too far back may not provide the best ergonomic experience. Once you identify the location, clean the surface area with the provided alcohol wipe to remove any dirt, film, or residue. Apply the 3M dual lock to the BT2. Firmly press the BT2 into position until you feel the two pieces lock together for a secure mount. Installing the Stay Put Flex Boom mic. Pull back the helmet liner on the left side and move the mic into position to visually identify the ideal mounting location. This is achieved by positioning the microphone portion of the mic boom in the front center of your helmet as shown here. Then affix the round tab on the mic boom to the hook and loop fastener and press firmly. Once complete, temporarily remove the foam cover on the mic muff and make sure that the flat side of the mic is facing your lips. Next, connect the male connector on the mic boom to the female connector on the speaker harness. Now, connect the 2.5mm male connector into the BT2. Cleaning up wiring. With installation complete, tuck away excess cable between the helmet shell and liner. Use a little creativity to safely secure your wires so they won't be damaged in normal use. Charge your BT2. Connect the USB cable to your BT2 and charge as you would any device. Pairing mode. With the BT2 turned off, long press the power button for 7 seconds. Pairing mode is indicated by the light flashing red and blue. Go to the Bluetooth settings on your device. Search for BT-MOTO and follow your device pairing instructions. Once paired, the light on the BT2 will flash blue. Your BT2 installation is now complete, transforming your helmet into the ultimate audio experience.